Hi guys, welcome to my channel. Hope you all are safe. In today's video, I am going to share with you guys how I created this makeup look. It's a very traditional Karwa Chauth look. It's very simple and look elegant at the same time. It's very easy for any of you to recreate this look, and if you do, please don't forget to tag me on the social media. I have listed all the links in the description box right below this video. Without wasting any further time, let's get into the video. I'm going to start with prepping my skin with the MAC Fix Magic Radiance. It will help my skin look hydrated throughout the day, and it makes sure that the foundation on the top go really smooth and nice. For primer, I am using Master Primer by Maybelline. It will add an extra hydration to my skin. So I am dotting it all over my face and spreading overall and patting over my skin so it is nicely absorbed by my skin. For the foundation, I am using MAC Studio Water Weight Foundation with SPF 30 and my shade is NC25. I am going to take a little bit of the foundation. You don't need to take a lot of it. It has a very good coverage and that spread really well. With the help of the NYX Professional Makeup Brush, I am going to even out my foundation. First, I am going to spread the foundation all across my face. The foundation blends seamlessly and blur the imperfection for giving an luminous natural looking finish. For the concealer, I am using Maybelline Instant Age Rewind. I am in the shade Fair. I am going for a very thin layer so that it will be long lasting. Thick layer tend to crease quickly or melt down quickly. Again, I am using the NYX Professional Makeup Brush for blending my concealer. For contouring my face, I am using Wet n Wild contouring palette in the shade Caramel Toffee. Using this contour brush, I am going to contour my cheeks, my forehead and my jawline. Now I am using Maybelline White Superfresh Compact in the shade Pearl. It will help me to set my base and keep my makeup long lasting. Now I am using Maybelline Fit Me Loose Powder in the shade Light for baking my under eyes. It will help to set my concealer and highlight my under eye area. Now again I am going with my MAC Fix Plus and spray it all over my face to make sure that everything melts in together. Now I am applying lip balm to keep my lips hydrated. Now I am using In Studio Brow Gel to fill in my eyebrows with the help of a liner brush. First I am going to fill in the empty spaces of my eyebrows. Using this LA Girl Pro Artistic Eyeshadow Palette, taking this light shade, I am filling my crease lines. Now I am keeping this brown shade on the corner of my eyes. Now I am going to take this beautiful shimmery golden shade from the palette, and first I will place it on the inner side of my eyelid, and I will spread it all over my eyes on a very light hand, and will blend it back with the brown and ensure that the crease is blend out too. Now again I am taking this dark brown color from the palette and putting it on the corner of the eyes and little bit to the crease. Now it's the time to apply the eyeliner. I am using Lakme Instant Eyeliner. To fill in my waterline, I am using Wet n Wild Kohl Crayon in the shade black. Now using the same Wet n Wild Kohl, I am tightlining the upper waterline. Now I am using Maybelline New York Lasting Drama Gel Eyeliner to create a wing. For the blush, I am using this Revolution blush palette. I'll mix this to pink color and tap off the excess and apply it to my cheeks. I'll start from the center of my cheeks towards my ears and blend it properly with the contour. For highlighting my face, I am using Master Chrome by Maybelline. Now I am using my favorite lipstick, that is MAC Ruby Woo Retro Matte Lipstick. It's a very dark red color. I will pick up this lipstick with a lip brush. Because it is a matte lipstick, we can use it as a lip liner as well. It will give me a clean edges on my lips. Now with the help of the bullet, I'll directly apply the color on my lips. The look will be incomplete without adding some jewelry. So I have added some bangles, a sindoor and a bindiya. I hope you like this video. If you like this video, then give it a big thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe my channel if you have not subscribed yet. Bye.